The HAL Tejas is India's answer to decades of dependence on foreign fighter jets, a supersonic, multi-role light combat aircraft born from the drive for self-reliance. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Tejas is a testament to India's ambition to design, build and operate world-class military technology. Its journey from concept to reality has been marked by determination, innovation, and a vision for a self-sustaining defense industry. It's more than just a jet, it's a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat, representing India's determination to master advanced defense technology. The Tejas project embodies national pride, showcasing the country's ability to overcome challenges and set new benchmarks in indigenous manufacturing. The Tejas program has sparked a thriving aerospace ecosystem, nurturing homegrown talent and innovation. Thousands of engineers, scientists and technicians have contributed to its development, creating a ripple effect that has strengthened India's research and manufacturing capabilities. Designed to be lightweight, agile, and equipped with cutting-edge avionics, Tejas is tailored for the complex demands of modern aerial warfare. Its advanced flight control systems and state-of-the-art radar make it a formidable presence in the skies, capable of adapting to a wide range of mission profiles. Despite facing technological hurdles and international sanctions, Indian engineers persevered, turning the dream of an indigenous fighter into reality. Each setback became a lesson, fueling the drive to innovate and achieve self-sufficiency in critical technologies. Now a frontline asset, Tejas performs air defense, maritime reconnaissance, and ground attack missions, securing India's skies. Its versatility allows it to operate in diverse environments, from high-altitude borders to coastal regions, making it an invaluable part of India's defense strategy. As advanced variants emerge, Tejas is set to become the backbone of the Indian Air Force, a true supersonic marvel. With each new upgrade, it continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring a new generation of engineers and aviators across the nation. The Tejas story began in the 1980s, a pivotal era when India recognized the urgent need to replace its aging MiG-21s. These jets had served the nation for decades, but the world of aerial warfare was rapidly evolving, and India needed a modern, indigenous solution to keep pace with global advancements. At the same time, there was a growing desire to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers for critical defense technology, as importing spare parts and components often led to delays and vulnerabilities in national security. In response, the government launched the ambitious Light Combat Aircraft program in 1983, placing the newly formed Aeronautical Development Agency at the helm. This marked the beginning of a bold journey towards self-reliance in aerospace engineering. The vision was clear: to design and build a lightweight, agile, and powerful fighter jet that could dominate 21st-century air combat, tailored specifically for the needs of the Indian Air Force. However, the path was far from smooth. Engine development delays forced the team to adopt the American GE F404 engine, a crucial decision that kept the project moving forward, despite significant technical and logistical hurdles. After years of relentless effort, the first technology demonstrator finally took to the skies in 2001. This maiden flight was a historic milestone, symbolizing India's growing capabilities in advanced aviation technology. Despite facing international sanctions and numerous setbacks, Indian scientists and engineers persevered, developing critical systems like the fly-by-wire controls and mission computer entirely in-house, showcasing true innovation and resilience. Over the next decade, Tejas underwent rigorous testing and improvements, eventually achieving initial operational clearance in 2013 and reaching full combat readiness by 2019, a testament to the dedication of everyone involved. In 2016, the first Tejas squadron, the Flying Daggers, officially entered service. With this, India's homegrown fighter jet had finally arrived, marking a proud new chapter in the nation's defense history. The HAL Tejas is engineered for agility, speed, and advanced combat. Its tailless delta-wing design boosts maneuverability and reduces radar visibility. Over 45% of its airframe is carbon fiber composite, making it light yet strong. Powered by the GE F404 engine, Tejas reaches Mach 1.6 and operates up to 52,500 feet. The glass cockpit, HOTAS controls, and digital fly-by-wire system give pilots superior control and situational awareness. With 8 hardpoints, it carries air-to-air missiles, precision bombs, and a 23mm cannon. An Israeli multi-mode radar enables Tejas to track and engage multiple targets in all weather, making it a formidable multi-role fighter. Tejas stands as the flagship of India's Atmanirbhar Bharat defense initiative, boldly breaking the long-standing cycle of import dependency that once defined the nation's military aviation. This indigenous fighter jet is not just a symbol of technological achievement, but also a statement of India's growing confidence and capability on the world stage. Its development has sparked a vibrant aerospace ecosystem, bringing together over 500 Indian companies and creating thousands of skilled jobs across the country. From small suppliers to major industry leaders, the Tejas program has fostered collaboration and innovation at every level. When international sanctions in the 1990s threatened to halt progress, Indian scientists and engineers rose to the challenge. Their determination led to the creation of indigenous systems like the digital fly-by-wire controls and advanced mission computer, both of which are now at the heart of Tejas's cutting-edge performance. This journey of indigenization, though filled with obstacles and setbacks, ensured that Tejas's core technologies are truly Indian, designed and built to meet the nation's unique requirements. The program's remarkable success now serves as a blueprint for future defense projects, including India's ambitious next-generation fighter jet, inspiring a new era of innovation and self-reliance. Tejas has instilled a deep sense of pride and confidence in India's ability to design, develop, and produce world-class military hardware, proving that Indian ingenuity can match global standards. It marks India's emergence as a serious defense manufacturer, not just a buyer, and signals a shift towards greater strategic autonomy in the years ahead. The journey of Tejas is a testament to innovation born from necessity, and a powerful reminder that self-reliance is not just a goal, but a continuous journey of progress and national pride. Tejas has become a global ambassador for Indian aerospace, dazzling audiences at major international air shows. Its 2016 debut in Bahrain marked the first time an Indian fighter performed abroad, earning praise for agility and performance. Since then, Tejas has starred at events like Lima and the Dubai Air Show, showcasing sharp turns, high-G maneuvers, and advanced fly-by-wire controls. These displays are powerful marketing tools, challenging perceptions about Indian defense technology. Air shows also foster international cooperation and allow Tejas to be benchmarked against global competitors. The aircraft's reliability and performance have built a strong reputation, opening doors for exports and partnerships. Each display boosts national pride and cements Tejas's status as a credible modern fighter. On November 21, 2025, tragedy struck at the Dubai Air Show when a Tejas Mk1 crashed during a complex aerobatic display. The experienced IAF pilot lost control during a steep vertical roll, resulting in a fatal crash within the show perimeter. This marked the first fatality in the Tejas program's history, casting a shadow over its achievements. The IAF immediately launched a court of inquiry to investigate possible causes, including structural failure, flight control issues, or pilot error. The incident has prompted a review of safety protocols for airshow performances. The investigation's findings will be crucial for restoring confidence and ensuring future safety. Despite the Dubai tragedy, Tejas's safety record remains strong for a new fighter jet. Since its first flight in 2001, Only 2 major crashes have occurred across thousands of flight hours. The first, in 2024, saw both pilots eject safely after an engine failure, leading to improved fleet-wide monitoring. Compared to other modern fighters, Tejas's early accident rate is exceptionally low. The Dubai crash, while tragic, is an outlier in an otherwise exemplary record. Ongoing investigations and safety refinements will ensure Tejas remains a reliable asset for the Indian Air Force. The Tejas program is evolving, with the Mk1A variant bringing advanced radar, electronic warfare, and easier maintenance. The IAF has ordered 83 Mk1A jets, ensuring Tejas's frontline role for years to come. India is actively marketing Tejas to countries like Argentina, the Philippines, and Malaysia as a cost-effective, modern fighter. While the Dubai crash may cause some hesitation, Tejas's overall safety and transparency in investigations will reassure buyers. The program's future includes naval and trainer variants, expanding its reach and versatility. Tejas is set to become a cornerstone of India's defense exports. Its journey from domestic innovation to global contender is just beginning. Tejas is more than a fighter jet. It's the embodiment of India's aerospace ambitions. Its journey from concept to frontline service is a story of perseverance, innovation, and national pride. By reducing dependence on imports, Tejas has transformed India's strategic autonomy and industrial landscape. The program's challenges have forged a culture of continuous improvement and technological excellence. Even after setbacks, Tejas's achievements and safety record stand out among global peers. As advanced variants join the fleet and exports grow, Tejas will inspire future generations to reach new heights. The spirit of Indian innovation truly has taken flight.